Hello dear students, welcome back in the online teaching session of Rajvidya Latur. Today we will study General Science standard number 7. Now the first topic, the living world adaptations and classification. Today we will discuss about adaptations in animal. Have you heard about dinosaurs? They live on the earth long ago. Then they died due to the sudden changes in climate. They were unable to adapt themselves to the changing climate. So, adaptation is very important term. Living things change themselves according to surrounding to survive. This is called adaptation. Its ability to adjust them to environment. What is meant by adaptation? Do you know? The capacity to adjust to the surrounding. And adaptation is a modification or change in the organism's body or behavior that help it to survive. What causes adaptation? Means what are the reasons behind adaptation? Mutation is the main reason, or the natural selection is the main reason behind all these adaptations. Adaptation allows animals to adjust themselves and survive in their natural habitat. Adaptation helps animals to maximize their species survival in their environment. There are different types of adaptations: behavioral, physiological, structural. These are the different types of adaptations in the living things. Today we will study adaptation in terrestrial animal. This adaptation is related to habitat. There are different type of habitat around us, and according to this habitat there are different kinds of animals. Some are aquatic animals, some are terrestrial, some are amphibians. So among them, some are carnivorous. That means they feed on other animal. What are the adaptations found in carnivorous? Let's study. Generally, terrestrial animals breathe with the help of lungs. That means lungs are the special features found in the terrestrial animals. Animals live in forest and grassland, have strong legs to run fast, to capture prey. Some animals crawl just like snake. They have special scales in their skin which provide traction around the ground. Some are carnivorous. That means they feed on other animals. What are the special features found in carnivores? They have strong teeth to capture prey and eat, pointed teeth, and have padded paws for silently stalk their prey to capture easily. Their eyes located in front of head to spot their prey from a long distance. Example, lion, tiger, etc. Some are herbivorous animal. That means they feed on grass or herbs. What are the special features? Look at the picture. Goat, elephant, deer, cows, etc. are herbivorous. They have very sharp front teeth to bite and cut the plants, and have large grinding teeth for chewing their food. Okay. Now let's study adaptation in aerial animals. Animal such as birds, bats, some insects spend most of their time in air. They are called aerial animals. Let's see key features of aerial animals. They have two legs, hatch from eggs mostly, have light bodies with feather, have hollow and light bones, most fly with wings. Look at the picture. Birds have hollow bones, so the body becomes light-weighted, so they can easily fly. Spindle-shaped body minimize the resistance of air while flying. Also air sacs present in their body. These are the special structures which are helpful during the flying. Look at the picture. It is black bat. Bat can fly in air but not a bird. It is a mammal. Thin fold of patagium is found in bat, which is helpful for flying. Some insects also fly. They have pairs of wings for flight. Body is light-weighted and tapering at both ends. Now, most of the birds except the flightless are ostrich and penguin. Let's study adaptations in desert animals. Look at the picture. Camel is a desert animal found in desert where the scarcity of water occurs, but they can survive easily in that land. How can it possible? What is the reason? Yes, obviously some adaptations develop in that animals where they live. Okay, so it has several adaptations. It can live without food and water for long period. It live on the fat which is stored in the hump. So, student, note down that camels store fat in hump, not water. Also, they have thick lips for eating prickly desert plant without feeling pain. Ears covered by hair to help them to keep sand out that might blow into air. Have long eyelashes to keep sand out of camel's eyes. Thick fur on the top of the body and thin fur elsewhere to allow easily heat loss and protection from heat. So, the desert's climate is cold at night and extremely hot in day. Camels can survive there properly due to adaptation. Study about the aquatic animals adaptations. Let's study about the aquatic animals. Which are the aquatic animals who live in the water are called aquatic animals. Many types of fishes, turtles, dolphins are the aquatic animals. So, along with these fishes, ducks, whales, swan, crabs and different kind of fishes found in water. They all feed on aquatic plants and other water creature. First, look at the body. The body shape is a special feature. The body is a streamlined and the streamlined body is a tapering at the both ends. Fins are present on the body which helpful for the swimming and still through the water. They have transparent eyelids. Okay. Now, some special features like gills are present for breathing or respiration. So, fishes can take dissolved oxygen through the gills and easily survive in the water. Various kinds of animals live in water and have different types of adaptive features to survive inside the water. So, some animals like cranes and flamingos have long thin legs that helps them to wade through water. They have long beak to catch small fishes. Okay. Dear students, do you know whales and dolphins? They also live in the water but come up to the surface to breathe because they use their lungs for breathing, do not have gills. So, some other aquatic animals like turtles have paddles like feet which help them swim in the water and helpful for survival. Ducks have webbed feet to swim easily in the water. These are the special adaptations developed in the aquatic animals for best survival. Now, we will turn to the adaptation found in amphibian animals. Dear student, what is meant by amphibians? Those who live in water as well as on the land, called amphibian. Frog is an amphibian animal. They breathe through lungs when they are on land. But what when they are inside the water? Their moist skin helps them to breathe when they are in water. So, these are some adaptations found in frogs as well as salamanders and toads. Okay, now we will study polar animals. Some animals live in the snowy region where very cold atmosphere is found. Polar bears like animals have very thick fur on their body to protect them from harsh cold. Some animals have thick fat under their skin. In winter, they become inactive and sleep for few months. It is called hibernation. Some animals like frogs, lizard, rats, bear cannot bear extreme cold. So they eat as much as possible in summer and sleep for several months and undergo hibernation process. So some adaptation found for protection also. Some animals have special body colors to merge them into surroundings. And some have strong shells or body coverings for protection. Look at the picture. The adaptation is developed for protection. Some animals have color spots or strips on their body to merge them into surroundings for the protection. All animals require protection from their enemies so that their species can survive and reproduce properly. Animals are hunted by human beings for various purposes. So, animals try to adapt themselves for getting food, for protection, for reproduction. Okay, dear student, thanks for attending my online session. Meet you again. Bye-bye.